Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create Cannes grass in Maya 2022 with help of N-Hair system. Just like this, first play and see the effect, Cannes grass effect. See, I have taken, first see the attribute, create hair attribute, U count 25, V count 25, passive fill 2, randomization 0.06, hair per clump 15, point per hair 14 and length 4.5. First pause this and see the plane attribute, wide 20 and subdivision 20, wide and height 30, subdivision and wide, subdivision wide and height 20. Close this, go to file, take a new scene. Now take a polygon plane, delete this one, go to create polygon primitives, plane, edit, reset the setting, type here wide 30 and also height 30, 20, subdivision wide and height 20. Click create. Now we selected this, go to Arnold, light, take a sky dome light, select your polygon plane on FX menu, go to N-Hair, open create N-Hair option, edit, reset the setting, type here 25, U count and V count 25, passive fill type here 2, randomization type here 0.06, hair per clump type here 15, point per hair type here 14 and length type here 4.5 or 4.4 or 5. Click create hair. This will create your hair system just like this. Now hair system shape 1, increase the thinning 2.5 or 6, increase the twisting, clump width increase, now clump width scale, create the fall off just like this. Hair curl, change it to just like this. See, now go down, dynamic property, bend resistance increase, first click play and see, go down, go to turbulence, increase the intensity to 1, frequency increase, speed increase, click play and see the Cannes grass effect. Now pause, open shading tab, on shading hair color checker box, click and select file and connect a 2D file. I take this file, now click play and see the Cannes grass effect. See, In this process, you can create Cannes grass in Maya or any dynamic grass in Maya. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.